My name is Hooria, and today I'm gonna teach you how to write in cursive writing using uppercase letters. It is very easy to write uppercase letters in cursive style as compared to the lowercase letters. If you are looking forward to learn how to write uppercase letters in cursive style, then you have clicked on the right video. Don't worry, just watch the whole video and you will learn how to write uppercase letters in cursive style. So we'll start with the first letter using strokes as mentioned in this notebook. It is very easy to write in this notebook. You just have to follow the strokes and here it is. As you can see that I am following the strokes given in the notebook. There are two types of strokes here, like upstroke and downstroke. And now you can see, first of all, I am giving downward strokes and upward strokes. So you don't have to worry that if you are a beginner, you can learn it easily. This notebook is just for you. You can purchase it from any of the bookstore or stationery shop. It is very easy to write in these kind of notebooks for beginners. So just keep practicing, and if you like my video then just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you want to learn how to write small letters in cursive style, then I have a video on it on my channel. I will give down the link in the description. You can check it on my channel. Enjoy learning and have a good day.
But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down, embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow